witness inside her. I stopped her from going to UK. I stopped before she did that visa here. She did that international passport here, thinking that she's going to meet her mother. Her mother, as what now? She wants to leave Nigeria to go to UK. Oh my God.
I command you to come out of this body now.
What type of Obanje, what type of marine spirit go they pronounce God so boldly? Nigerians react to the viral video of this evangelist Ebuka Obi over the deliverance way he do. Where Miami but people make una carry seats done. I don't bring another gist for una. It's still your army boy girl Cindy. And I know say for this channel, no Ogbenge news I they carry come. Undiluted as in the cook am na so I they carry come give una. So as army boy girl where I be, my eyes just they chook. I just they find gist where I go drop for my people. Now so I just bele me down for this one. This trending video of Ebuka Obi, the way they perform miracle triggered a lot of reaction. People come they say which kind deliverance be this one where the marine person go they pronounce God, and even pastor go say make they no carry the girl go, say you go see am privately. Let's read some reactions before we watch the video. The first comment says the demon said, "Oh my God, beautiful girl, me self go take her to wait behind." This one said, "I keep wondering how people see comfort they watching all those things. See me after church service, bad guy. Oh man, no be smart. Make we watch the full video."
Car home. After this program, make sure you see me. And I leave her.
Why was she in that bed?
Do you want to beat me?
Who beats you?
Why won't you?
Because you are fine.
Huh?
Because you are fine.
Be set free, daughter of Zion. Now.
Come on. Stop. Tell them to stop holding me now. Tell them to stop holding me.
I command every chain now be broken. Covenant is broken. Covenant is broken. Amen. Covenant is broken. Amen. Covenant is broken. Amen.
Leave me. Clean my face. Not this girl. She's precious. When I mean precious, she has greatness. She has greatness inside her. I stopped her from going to UK. I stopped before she did that visa here. She did that international passport here, thinking that she's going to meet her mother. Her mother, as what now? She wants to leave Nigeria to go to UK. Oh my God.
I command you to come out of this body now. Lift your hand and shout fire 7 times. Fire! I break every chain, marine chain.
Fire!
Happy. Jide. I watch. So they should not take her home. We will have some hours with her. There will be testimony.
Amen.
Wetin una think, my people? Remember say na God be the only judge for this life wey we dey. I believe say anything wey person dey do, make you always remember say the reward dey. So no be for my mouth I go talk say na fake, cause I know they see this Ebuka Obi as a fake man of God. But like I said, everything na only God know the best. See you guys on my next episode. Bye.